In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this hard math question easy and fast. Okay, so let's get started. The question says the x-intercept of the graph shown is in bracket x and 0. What is the value of x? So they are not asking us of the y-intercept. Okay, intercept simply means where the straight line, if it's a straight line graph, or where the curve, if it is a quadratic graph, touches or gets to the line for the y-axis or x for the x-axis, right, their respective lines. Okay, so in this situation here now, we are talking about the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So when you check this curve is touching the x-axis at this point. Let me demonstrate, let me show you. Look at it, this point here. Okay, so this point is at 0.7. so this shows us that the x-intercept of the graph, the value of x here is 7. Okay, because this is the positive x-axis. Okay, whereas this is the negative x-axis. Alright, so assuming the curve was at this place, it would have been -7, but since it is at the positive x-axis, so the right answer is 7, +7. So the value of x here is 7. Okay, so that's the answer to this question. So at the beginning we are talking about y-intercept. You would have considered this vertical line here. Okay, but since you're talking about the x-intercept, we consider the horizontal line, which is where the x-axis is, the y-axis is at the vertical line. So hopefully something interesting from this explanation. It has made your understanding much better around intercept of graph. So let's call the video, guys. We don't need the calculator to solve this kind of problem. Okay, so let's call the video. If you are new to this channel, ensure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share, comment on the video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the membership by clicking on the join button and getting premium information how to deal with other similar math problems you will be encountering and meeting. Okay, so having done this, click on the next button and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.